Hello guys, welcome to Nitish Master में color name red color, red color, sky blue color, sky blue color, light green color, light green color, orange color, orange color, brown color, brown color, golden color, golden color. Today we learn 2D shape, triangle, heart and star. Sky blue color, triangle. कौन है बच्चों? A triangle. Red color, heart. कौन है बच्चों? A heart. Red color, heart. Light green color, light green color, light green color, star. कौन है बच्चों? यह स्टार. Orange color, orange color, pentagon. कौन है बच्चों? Pentagon. Brown color, brown color, brown color, cross. कौन है बच्चों? यह cross. Golden color, golden color, ring. कौन है बच्चों? ring. Triangle, heart, star, pentagon, cross and ring.